Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girls top, baby sweater and shawl and stall. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 6 rows, repeat pattern, cast on multiple of 6 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 edge stitches, multiple of 6 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 21 stitches on my needle, 18 stitches, multiple of 6, 3 times 6 plus 6 12 plus 6 18 and plus 1 extra stitch 19 plus 2 edge stitches 21. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop. For this twist is first stitch, knit together from back loop. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop. Again we repeat this pattern how much you have. Knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop. Knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop. Knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop. Knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop. Knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop. Here we complete 6 times repeat pattern. Last 2 stitches, knit 1 and knit edge from right side. First row is completed of second row wrong side. Pull these all stitches till the end of row. Second row and every wrong side rows we make same. Pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over, knit together from back loop. Knit 2, 1, 2. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 2, yarn over, knit together from back loop, knit 2. This is 6 stitches pattern, 2, 4, 6. Again we repeat this pattern how much you have. Knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over, knit together from back loop, knit 2, 1, 2. One more time. Knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over, knit together from back loop, knit 2, 1, 2. Last 2 stitches, knit 1, knit edge from right side. Third row is completed of fourth row wrong side. Pull these all stitches till the end of row. row 5, right side, slip pinch. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit together from back loop, knit 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 3, yarn over, knit together from back loop, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit together from back loop, knit 1. One more time. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit together from back loop, knit 1. Last 2 stitches, knit 1 and knit edge from right side. 5th row is completed. Now 6th row wrong side. Pull these all stitches till the end of row. Sixth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat this 1 to 6 rows, and after repetition of 6 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girls top, baby sweater. So fan, if you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye fan.